Alright, the next level in Little Big Planet is the construction site. We're gonna play this on our own. Loading.
Ugh, I hate this level.
Me too. Just imagine I had to beat this without dying to get the T-Rex costume.
That is fucked up. I want to find whoever created this level and kick them square in the balls.
Well, the level's not that... Well, yeah, the level's bad. But the boss is what's the big problem. Okay, for this episode, I'm going to be a Gurlukovich... always have a hard time pronouncing it. A Gurlukovich soldier from Metal Gear Solid 2.
And I'm a Vietnam vet. See some things. Wouldn't recommend it. Let go of me.
There's a... There's a microphone in the cake. Let's do this shit.
Classic.
It's fucking hot in here, man. Alright, here we go. Jump.
Do not die.
What?
Nothing?
You mean you do not die? Okay, here we go. So what, you cheating now?
No.
I still got first though.
I don't care.
Press that. Oh, almost fell.
Why do we have gay construction workers on this level?
I don't know. Shit.
Oh.
Oh yeah, remember we were kind of supposed to wait.
Oh.
Oh. I can get across now.
Come help me up.
Damn, you made me fall now.
Oh my. How did I make you fall?
Does the camera move?
Oh.
Bah. Let's try getting up there. Oh shit.
Oh.
Never mind, go without me. Crap. That's another one. Like, try to, like, move it so that... Yeah. Oops. Screw it. Oh. Alright, let's try going up there. Like, what's up there?
Oh, you son of a
What's the... Yeah!
Oh.
Was that like a cheat code?
Oh no.
Where are we? This better not kill us. Okay. Oh, we're supposed to put stickers here. Okay. I have the stickers. I hope. That ain't the sticker.
Yes, it. Oh.
That's the sticker.
You don't have all the cities.
I do.
You do?
I just have to make sure I put which one in which area.
No.
That's not it. That's not it either. Is it?
Nope. No, that's not it.
That's it.
Oh. No, that's...
Well, I got all of them except for one. We're missing one.
Oh my god.
Okay, let's try. Go back. Come on. Move us back.
That's not it.
That sucks. So we need 3. Oh, we tried. Let's try to get the hell out of here. Go. So we need one more building. You have to keep your eye out for that other
Let's
building somewhere around. Oh shit!
Oh! I blame you.
Just die. Back.
You suck.
You go first.
Okay.
I'll go now. Kill yourself.
Let's go.
What do you mean, let's go? That's not the right way. We have to go up.
You suck.
Not my fault. Let's go. There we go. Okay. I wonder where that third building is. Oh, shit. I'm gone.
You suck.
You the suck one. donkey. Ooh, bad. Oh, shit.
My ass is singed.
Wait, what's that back there? Something we already collected?
What?
About to find out. Yeah, something we already collected. No! Yeah, kill that bastard. Your favorite part. I hate this part. Shit! Come on. Last life, last life. Here we go. You go first. Shit.
Oh,
I got it.
fuck me.
I got a new area. Kill yourself. Back.
Hello. Come on, let's go.
Yep. Remember, don't run.
I'm running.
Me too. Shit. Ah! Alright, here we go. This part. No. Oh.
Yes.
Well, fuck you.
Happy birthday to me.
Okay, here we go. We could take both of these two people. No problem. It's the big boy we're worried
Let
about.
him shoot.
Move it.
There we go.
Next guy shoots two. Remember, move. Or never mind. Alright, let's try to get this bastard.
As fast as we can.
This fucker.
Cause he's on
Shit.
Yep.
No!
You got your ass.
Well, you go fight him. I'll move as close as I can without getting killed. Come on.
Oh!
You can do it. There we go.
Yes,
Finally.
I saved the day.
You bitch. About damn time you're useful. Shut your
Kiss
black
my
ass up, you fucker. I don't want to talk to you. Alright. Hurry up. This is a nice ass airplane. There's clearly a winner.
That don't mean shit.
Spank it, spank it, spank it.
Fuck you.
No.
Oh.